Okay, I'm back. Apologies for sort of hand-holding here and walking in front of the camera. I'm going to let in some gas via the fuser pi interface that's showing here on this computer. And any clicks you hear are a helium-3 neutron detector seeing cosmic rays at the moment. And what I'm going to do, let in some gas. That's 7 little clicks of the solenoid. Waiting for the pressure gauge to respond here and tell me it's worked. Some gas. It's not saying I'm letting in gas. As usual, and totally off the cuff, spur of the moment lash-ups. Something is failing on me. I will try to fix this and come back. To make what would otherwise be a long story shorter, and with the reminder that pretty don't make it work good, this is the fuser control computer and database gathering machine with a fiber isolator here, switch for the internal junk, which includes some cameras, a couple Arduinos, a Raspberry Pi, and over here some power supplies. And that 24-volt Lambda is what failed and is temporarily, in cowboy fashion, being replaced by this guy, which is not a good solution. And maybe it's a education either in honesty and reporting, or that you should actually just sort of stage this stuff a little bit before you start a video. Now, I can't run this in real high power mode for real, because I have its pants pulled down. I mean, the shielding is taken off, and the diffuser generates enough RFI to not only crash this stuff, but smoke it. So this is just for this test.